Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is day 2 of the Christmas challenge, a free Christmas challenge for you if you want to make money over the Christmas period with Amazon. This is a method that is very simple. It's intended to be simple, and it is by no means how I would suggest starting a business or doing it properly, which sounds weird, but this is for people that haven't got a lot of time or just want to get something up and out there to make money, just want to get results. The way I recommend doing it, okay, so for those of you that are watching and serious about running a business online and having assets, which is sites, okay, so let me just say the only way you have a real business online is to actually have properties that you own, a bit like a monopoly board. You need to make sure that you actually own sites. There's many reasons for this. It's something I neglected in my own business for years, which I'm sort of a bit ashamed to say. I spent too long, many years as a ClickBank affiliate without actually investing in getting a hosting and domain and learning how to set up a site, and I was making good money as an affiliate on ClickBank, and I didn't own any of the sites I was using. So and I spent too long doing that, and it's literally the worst way, because once you have a site that makes money, you've got properties that make money and they're of value. So thinking ahead, and I know it's the hardest thing to do, but when you get something that's actually working, you can sell it on Flipper, you can like reinvest the profits from that into some other projects. But literally, even if you keep it, you want to make sure that you own the site for other reasons, because if you just use a free website builder and they decide to take your site down and you've worked on it for days and it's making you good money, you just lost everything. Okay, so the first thing I'll say is, as you're following this, it's a very quick method, but I do recommend that you invest in a domain name and hosting and a simple WordPress install. I'm going to show you a little bit about that today. To go over how to install WordPress and how to get hosting and a domain, look on YouTube, like look right here, because there's hundreds of videos that will show you how to do it. And if you're at the stage where you don't know how to do it, just get over that learning curve, because you will really thank yourself later. Because same with Amazon, same with the Amazon sites I've built, that even the ones that don't do that well, they're worth money because they're actually up and running and they bring in sales and they're established. And I'll get onto that more. Let me just say, if you're serious about having an Amazon affiliate business, if you want to do it the right way, if you want to make good money over the Christmas period, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Black Friday, if you really want to knock it out the park, check out the link below this video in the description, because it will take you through to Azon Christmas Cash 2016, and that's actually a course that will show you exactly how to build the sites from scratch. Okay, the way I'm going to show you, just for this 7-day challenge, just for fun and just so you can get something up and out there, is literally just building one site, very simple, and showing you very briefly how to stick the products on it. But if you're interested in building a business and making as much money as possible over Christmas and going into 2017 with all the knowledge that you need to carry on doing this the right way, I can't stress that enough. It's not a push button system, it's not a sort of fad. I'll actually show you a site in a minute and you can see, they're not sort of scraped sites or anything like that. The only way, again in my experience, ClickBank and Amazon being my forte. I've used ClickBank for years, as I have Amazon, and really in the same way, the site methods that I use to build sites in either of them are very similar. In especially when you're talking about ranking for SEO or in SEO terms. But the main thing I want you to get from this whole 7 days is the right way of doing things, rather than just going push button systems and looking for a quick way. I've never found a way that's been lasting to make money just with a push button system. Occasionally you'll get a fad, Occasionally you'll get something coming in that's the in thing, and then it will go out again as everyone cottons onto it. And all I'm asking is that you escape that rat race. You don't move from one rat race, a 9 to 5, to work on another and get caught in a rat race. You want to work on your business and you want to get results. And the way you get results is by actually building your business and not someone else's. That's why you need to have the sites. But anyway, I digress a little bit. If you're interested in, building a proper plan and really knocking it out the park, check out the link below and it will take you through to the Azon Christmas Cash 2016. I'm keeping it open for the duration of this this challenge, and just to get in, because it's really, really cool. There's a good group in there, and there's people making sales in there, and it's perfect. If there's any time of the year that you want to take advantage of this stuff, it's right now at Christmas, because it's literally the best time of the year. So make sure that you take advantage of it. And let me tell you now, so day 2, what I wanted to talk about was just really, really simple. What do you promote? And as you can see here, very, very simple. I'm going to give you, again, a simple way and sort of give you the basics. We'll explore this because it's going to be a 7-day sort of plan. We'll explore it a little bit at a time, so you've got some structure. But again, you'll want to check out the link below as well. So really, really simple. You don't even have to worry about picking a niche at Christmas, because it's very, very easy. I recommend that you start with Christmas toys. Right now, it is not hard at all to find Christmas toys that will sell really, really well. You can literally find them. This is the way I recommend, just for the purposes of this challenge. Go to the best sellers, have a look through, try and spot themes. What I mean by that is like Lego, Star Wars. You see the same sort of things. Again, lots of Star Wars, lots of Pokemon stuff. Have a look at the themes that are sort of selling, and then also, because it's the best sellers, it tells you the best sellers. Okay, so it's actually telling you that #1 bestseller in kids costume. This would be perfect for Halloween, and you can see, it's selling, and you'll have the products. What you want to do first, for the purpose of this challenge, is get like 10 products, okay, or 20, and you want to write them down. The way you tell if they're popular is if they're in the best-selling list. They're popular. You can also go more for Christmassy stuff, okay, and what I mean by that is stuff that you know, movers and shakers here, stuff that you think's about to become big. You can go for that. And there's a lot of, like, this one's like more Halloween based, you can see here. You can definitely go for that as well, but you just want to, in fact they look quite good, guys. Here we go. This these decorations, just an idea for you, because they're just about to go in stock as well. But really, really good. You just want to set them up and just write them down. Just get them written down so you've got them there. Just pick them all out beforehand. And what you're going to do is, this is one of my sites. It was actually built as an example for a course. It's an Amazon site. Again, if you're interested in doing this stuff properly, so like, and getting really, really great results, you'll want to check out the link below, and you can get access to the Christmas Cash 2016, where I go far more into depth about how to do this. But just to show you, you can see, you know, it's a real site. It's not a scraped site. All the content's unique. It's been laid out properly. There's loads of stuff going on in SEO terms on this site, all above board, and all, you know, Google what it wants, because essentially that is the real key. Building sites that are real sites, for people to read, not trying to game the system, not trying to load it up with crappy links and just sort of blast it out there. The thing that will actually rank you a lot better is by taking the time. Tomorrow I'll be doing, for this challenge, just a really quick way how you can get your picks that you pick, like your toy picks or your product picks, and I'm going to be showing you literally how to write the content and so on. But what you want to do, guys, is pick 10 to 20 toys, grab a domain name and hosting. If you don't know how to do that, get over that block, or join the group below and I'll give you some extra help as well. Just say I saw your video on YouTube and get into the group, and I'll give you some extra help doing that. But it's something that you want to get past. You know, you'll never have an online business if you don't know how to buy a domain and link it to your hosting and set up a WordPress blog. Really, really simple. If you haven't done it before, of course you're going to find it difficult, but get that part now, get that done. And again, I spent too long not doing that, and from my experience, you want to get that done and in the bag so you can make money and so you can get up and running and start getting this stuff done. So what you want to ideally do is grab a domain, grab something generic, something Christmas based, like you know, Santa's Christmas grotto or something like that. Okay, just use your imagination. Get something .com, get WordPress installed, and grab 10 to 20 of the top toys that you're going to put on the site. And tomorrow I'll be giving you a really brief way of doing that. Again, I can't stress enough that this is not the way I recommend to actually build a business. There's nothing wrong with doing it like this, except you're leaving a huge amount of money on the table, and it's the wrong way of doing it for longevity and to set you up for 2017. If you're interested in doing it the right way, which is basically building sites like this, real sites that rank and make money, and all the SEO done. If you're interested in a full course that goes in depth how to do it, check out the link below, and I'd love to have you in the Christmas Cash. It's there's a great group in there. So that was day 2. Make sure that you do the stuff and you'll be up and running and you'll make money. Okay guys, I'll speak to you soon.